Hey everyone, welcome back to the Methods 2017 Exam 1, and this video is going to be focusing on question 9a. This question tells us that the graph of f on a domain of 0 to 1 inclusive, which has a rule of square root of x times 1 minus x, is shown below. And our job is to calculate the area between the graph of f and the x-axis. So if I shade in this area, that's going to be this one. So we know that we can calculate this area using integrals, because integrals give us the total signed area under a curve. Luckily, we're not going to have to worry about any negatives or anything like that, because the curve is above the x-axis on its domain. So how can we get the area? Well, we're going to do the integral from 0 to 1 f of x dx. Now I'm going to write f of x here just to make things a bit easier. And if I expand f of x, that's going to be this. So instead of writing this integral, I can rewrite it as this. However, the problem is from where to go here, because you can't do this integral. It's very difficult at the very least. You can look in the formula sheet, you can look somewhere else, but it's going to be very hard. So what we're going to do is, instead of writing square root of x, we're going to write x to the half. So you replace this square root and that square root with x to the half. So you just get x to the half minus x to the power 1 times x to the power half, which is equal to x to the power half minus x to the power 1 plus a half. And that's just going to be this. So now we can rewrite this integral again, but instead now we can write it like this. And now finally we can go ahead and calculate this. So remember, I'll just write it here. That's the rule that we're going to use here. So you're going to get x to the half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 minus x to the 3 over 2 plus 1 divided by 3 over 2 plus 1. And the terminals are going to be from 0 to 1. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually calculate that and make it a bit more simple. So x to the half plus 1, that's going to be x to the 3 over 2. And if this gets divided by 3 over 2, you're just going to flip them around and multiply, so you get 2 over 3 minus x to the 3 over 2 plus 1. Now that's just x to the 5 over 2. And if I divide that by 5 over 2, that's going to flip around and multiply, so you're going to get 2 over 5. And the terminals stay the same. Sorry, I've written the wrong terminals. They should be from 0 to 1. Now we're going to plug 1 into this. So you're going to get 2 over 3 minus 2 over 5. And now we're going to take away, but this time we're going to substitute 0. So you're just going to get take away 0 minus 0. Now if I bring this here, because we're running out of space a little bit, that's going to be 2 over 3 minus 2 over 5. Now we can just solve this like any other fraction. So you're going to get this. So the area is 4 over 15, and remember to write units squared. And that's going to be our final answer. Thanks so much for watching.